蔬菜點解你會喺度㗎？Mechanical power is going to academic.
Bye, have a great time.
AI joke. I'm not. Okay. 嗨，皆さん，梅堂です。今日咧要玩呢一個 I am not a robot， 我唔係機械人。我喺 Twitter 上面見到有一個 creator， 就係角落頭呢個，佢係叫做 Neo。我有少少病緊，所以可能我把聲唔係太好啊。個名啊細。咁今日咧就嚟睇下我到底通唔通過到呢一個機械人測試啦。首先睇一個最經典嘅 checkbox。I am not a robot. I am not a robot. Select all the squares with a stop sign. 所有有 stop sign 嘅，哇，係咪幻了吧 ？Y H R T C D， 我相信係 D 嚟。Submit， 耶 ！Select all the squares with a vegetable. 蔬菜。點解你會喺度㗎？OK， 總之係要揀蔬菜，唔係揀水。佢算唔算係蔬菜啊？蘿蔔呢個係洋葱、香蕉、提子，唔係牛油果。我唔中意食牛油果，不過佢係蔬菜。佢係咪蔬菜啊？應該係蔬菜啩。薯蛋頭先生，佢真係啊！佢真係蔬菜啊！OK。Level 5A 我哋已經嚟到 Level 5 Rotation reassemble the intersection 拼圖係嘛？難唔到我啦你哋落去 XO 吓 Win at tic-tac-toe 但係你 it's not fair 佢已經擺咗個圈喺中間，我係交叉，我係圈定交叉？我係交叉，咁樣唔會贏到嘅喎。太好啦，再嚟過，我喺中間先，耶！Select all the squares with a stop sign and bike。Level 7 word search， 即係我要揾翻 stop sign and bike 出嚟，即係我揾 S 字先啦 S T O P S I S I， 點解佢係反轉嘅 ？OK， 好 sign 有 sign 冇 stop 冇。stop 喺呢度啊 STOP， 點解兩個都係調轉㗎？傻㗎！我跟住我爭 BIKE， 見唔見到佢打斜啊？佢係打斜，仲要係反轉上去嘅咯。Oh my god！ 佢係左右，即係正常英文係由左至右去睇㗎嘛。佢係由右至左啦，而且佢仲要下至上啦，黐孖筋。耶！ Enter the perpetrator's license plate 啫 ，Y 係嘛？係咪咁？但係呢個，但係佢得一個 square 啫喎。你咧 all the squares？ 唔係佢到底要幾？佢到底要幾細啊？佢到底想縮到幾細啊？太好啦，就係咁樣。咁即係我只要將佢呢啲揀晒佢就係啦。呢一格算唔算係啊？應該係啩？咪先，打地鼠咩事啊？打地鼠，喂，耶，簡單。
簡單。
啊 ？Find the waddle？ 我點揾啊？
2 hours later.
係啊，呢度，Oh my god！ 經痛走音啊！佢應該得一個嘅啫，係嘛？佢應該得一個嘅啫。我諗係啊，耶！條娃娃，佢後面會唔會有文鳥同埋士多啤梨大福啊？笑死！條娃娃。OK，traffic 咪先，我真係睇錯。Select all the squares without a traffic light 係冇 traffic light 嘅格啊 ！Oh my god！ 我覺得係人先會睇錯咯。Affirmations。Oh my god， 太多了吧！我哋逐個睇下啦。I am a robot。我唔係。I am not a robot。雙重否定即係係啦，係機械人啦，即係我唔係啦。I am potentially a robot。potentially 我唔可以話唔係喎。我唔可以100% 話我唔係 potentially a robot， 因為我冇辦法證明我唔係一個 robot。咩係 robot 咧？ robot 如果係一啲零件組成嘅嘢，咁其實 human 或者話糖，佢可能係一啲蛋白質，又或者係一啲碳水化合物組成，咁佢都係由一啲物質組成出嚟嘅嘢，所以都係一個 potentially a robot。即係好似如果咁講，其實所有世界所有物質都可以係一個 robot， 因為呢個 robot 嘅定義係咩？我 let me search。Oxford language 嘅 a machine capable of carrying out a complex series of actions automatically, especially one programmable by a computer。 咁即係其實咁 what is a machine？ 嗱，我係可以我係 capable of carrying out a complex series of actions automatically， 我係可以自己去做一個係即係一啲複雜嘅行動啦。咁我係唔係一個 machine 咧？ What is a machine？Definition of machine: an apparatus using mechanical power and having several parts, such as a definite function, each with a definite function, and together performing a task。 一個儀器用 mechanical power 同埋我有 several parts 啊。咩係 mechanical？ 我係咪應該停止啊？但係 what is mechanical power？Mechanical power. Anyway, it is going too academic.
Bye, have a great time.
Try again. I am a chatbot. 我唔係聊天機械人。我會聊天。Okay, stop. I am a robocaller. 咩係 robocaller？Robocaller is a phone call that use a computerized audio， 即係總之都係機械啦。咁我唔係。I dream of electric sheep。 唔知大家知唔知道咧？電子羊呢個係咩機械人會用到電子羊定係乜鬼嘢？好似係有一個唔知咩作品係有呢樣嘢嘅，即係提到呢樣嘢。I am not a human。我暫時唔剔呢個住。I am a coffee machine with a subscription service。 咩嚟㗎？我係帶有訂閱服務嘅咖啡機。咖啡機。I am barely a robot。 我幾乎係 robot， 但係 barely a robot 都係 robot。 I am a TI-95。 咩係 TI-95？ 數機，呢個係咩年代嘅計數機嚟㗎？咩事啊？OK， 唔係。I used to be a robot， 我以前係機械，我唔係。I am a robot， 呢個又係一樣嘅。I am a digital assistant， 我係電子助手，我唔係。I am in， 我喺測試版當中。I am a military drone， 我唔係喎，我唔係戰機。I am a neural network， 我應該係 neural network， 我係神經系統。保留先。I am sentient poster， 唔係啦，傻噶。I'm running on AA batteries， 我唔識電池嘅。I'm a Turing machine， 我唔係。I'm not carbon based， 我唔係碳基，即係我唔係碳水，我係碳水化合物。係啊，我係碳水化合物。I am AI girl。I'm not。Okay。I'm a smart fridge. I'm smart, but I'm not a fridge. I am captain. 咩意思 ？What does it even mean? I'm a Roomba. 咩係 Roomba？ 掃地機械人啊！笑死 ！I'm a fax machine. 我唔係 fax 機。I am a trading algorithm， 我唔係。I'm stuck in a loop。I'm running on dial up。What is dial up？ 咩？dial up？ 總之係一個電話技術啦。I am an outdated plugin。哦。唔好吧，我都嚟咗唔係好耐啫，我唔會咁快 outdated 吧。OK，I'm cleverbot， 我 clever 但我唔係 bot。Balkinator 嗰個我記得係就係嗰個估嘢嗰個 app 啊嘛，係咪啊 ？I'm a microwave。唔要做 microwave 啊 ！I'm a pool cleaning bot， 我唔係。I'm not a robot。耶！哇！我未睇晒。總之我過咗啦，終於。好 level 15 parking。我唔識揸車嘅喎，我要車頭向入定向出㗎？咁樣咧，咁樣我應該可以啩？No！ 嚇死我啦！哇！咁樣應該 OK 啦啩？耶！咁樣泊車，我會唔會撞死㗎？No！
A few moments later。
我呢個位置好完美，一定要過。耶！Level 16 now in 3D。Enter the task below。耶 ！OK。Draw a circle that is 94% accurate。Draw a circle。喂，唔得喎！爭少少啊！ 我應該要利用。
A few moments later.
得唔得啊？耶！一打。Select all the squares with a fire hydrant， 即係消防喉嘅意思係咁正常，有啲可愛。狗。冇啦，冇啦，冇啦，贏！やだ。呢個咩字嚟㗎？係咪 H 啊？H Y H H H Y H Y H H， 唔係喎，咩字嚟㗎？我試下先 ，H Y H H L。得得，呢一個butterfly， 呢個係人哋嗰啲 psychological 嘅 test 嚟嘅喎。呢一個咧，我記得佢係一個即係講緊啲潛意識嘅流派，因為心理學有好多流派㗎嘛。佢係講緊人嘅潛意識嘅一個流派，佢會用嘅一個工具。呢一堆咧，我記得係佢哋其實就係潑墨咁樣潑落一啲紙度，咁樣去整出嚟，然後就揀咗一啲其中一啲即係圖案咁樣出嚟用咯。哦，咁都得啊？呢個好玩喎 ，Crafter。OK， craft a diamond pickaxe。耶！等陣，走咗出嚟啊！走咗出嚟啊！咁樣，哇！哇！人太多了吧？啊，點揾啊？どうしよう。
Nope. 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 Nope.
哦，可以放到咁大嘅。
2,000 years later.
揾到啦！揾到啦！揾到啦 ！Holy， 揾到你哋啦！耶！Complete the letters in the last book。最後一行嘅，哇！就好似我冇戴眼鏡嘅視力咁樣。E D 全真係用估嘅。F C Z P， 因為我覺得佢呢一個好似個邊邊係兩格。竟然，eye exam， 點解我開始視力檢查？呢個我知道啊，呢個係一個 psychological 嘅。哎呀，太暈了吧？唔係，呢個唔係number of dots， 呢一粒冇，其他有1、2、3、4、5、1、2、3、4、5、6、7、7、5、35減1、34。啊？應該係呢個。我知。Creativity express yourself， 好啊。 呢一個根本就係為我而設嘅。去畫嘢啊！咦？等你頭髮，跟住好簡單嘅就其實畫我兩邊，跟住上面咧外毛，呢度有一執，跟住是但落嚟。其實咁樣已經係㗎喇，跟住呢度有條邊，因為我用緊滑鼠畫啊，所以有啲醜。Oh my god，好可愛啊！好耐冇咁樣畫過啦。我畫翻，冇得 control Z，我冇隻外套嗰個狀態。比較易畫啲，落唔到去啦呢個位。It's me。嘿嘿。OK。どうして？哦，要用唔同顏色。OK。今次嘅 I am not a robot， 我唔係機械人就嚟到呢一度，冇錯會有第二集，下次繼續嚟睇下梅糖 VS 驗證系統。不過喺第二集嚟之前，記得今個禮拜仲有我嘅其他繪圖影片同埋神秘嘅治癒魔法影片，記得要嚟睇下啦。Thanks for watching，拜拜。